Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to log out of Instagram on all device. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on the profile icon. Click on the three line at the top right corner. Settings and privacy. Account center. Password and security. And tap on select devices to log out. And select all. And then finally tap on logout. Then successfully log out of Instagram on all device. That's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.